Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial where I will guide you through creating a stunning transparent effect in Photoshop. You will definitely enjoy this tutorial. So let's get started. The background image used in this tutorial can be found in the description below. In fact, I will provide you all the media which I am using in this tutorial. Make sure to download it before we start. Okay, begin by navigating to the filter menu, select blur and choose Gaston blur. Adjust the blur amount according to the image and click OK. Next, go to the File menu, choose Place Embedded and select this Apple image. Click on Place to insert it into your canvas. Now open the Properties panel from the Windows menu, then click on Convert to Layer. Follow up by clicking on Remove Background. It will nicely remove the background of the image. Right click on the layer mask and choose Apply Layer Mask. Adjust the size of the image accordingly to fit your composition. Duplicate the image layer for further enhancements. Head to the image menu, choose adjustments and then desaturate. Now our apple will turn into black and white color. Change the blend mode to screen from layers panel. Press Ctrl plus L to open the levels adjustment layer. Follow it accordingly and here we will go. Alright, now add a layer mask and use the brush tool to refine specific areas of the image. Hold Alt and drag the layer mask to duplicate it. Press Ctrl plus I to invert the duplicate layer mask. Now go to the File menu, choose Place Embedded and insert another image of cutted apple. Convert it to a layer and remove the background as before. Adjust the size of the newly added image to complement your composition. Select the layer mask of the top layer, choose the brush tool, set the foreground color to white and refine the mask accordingly. And there you have it. Your transparent effect is complete. If you have any questions or need clarification, don't hesitate to ask in the comment section. If you like my video, then subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.